This is little Sky. He's on his little jump easies.
Bounce.
Don't hit the thing.
You ain't getting that higher now.
He ain't got enough weight to press him down.
Yeah, I do.
He's gonna hit his head on the ceiling. It's gonna be hilarious.
Run a little bit on him. Go outside, run. Don't fall. Just run a little.
We all need to go on Halloween with them.
That's what we're getting.
Oh, I think he's calling. Hello? Oh, where y'all at?
John. A little bit.
No, I was at the door by myself. I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah?
No, it's a. Yeah, it is.
What did you think it was?
That was an infection.
Like, stay next to the van so you can see the phone.
Alright. Yeah, so it was him. It had to be. He stole my money.
Alright, go ahead and end it.